I've been holding to this secret really for a while and I've been dying to spill. Trust me, this is a game changer. I don't even know if there is another YouTuber that has done this. It was something that I have always dreamed of and it is finally happening. You probably know from the thumbnail and title anyways, but I am throwing a mini or boutique festival here in Stockholm. Yep, you heard that right, I'm not clickbaiting or anything.
What?
I am throwing a festival and you could be playing in it as well.
Oh, me?
But more on that later. And if you are wondering also why my hair looks weird, I'm gonna talk about it later in the video as well. I know this channel has been mostly about electronic music production, but I have never intended Mercurial Tones to be just online sample and preset store. Don't get me wrong, this channel will be mostly about electronic music production, but the brand Mercurial Tones, it's supposed to be bigger than that. I had a vision of something bigger, something that can really help out the community or ignite the community of house and techno. And to accomplish that idea, I first expanded into the label. If you don't know, there is a Mercurial Tones label, and I think we have released some of the hottest techno releases past years. In time, our Rich Groove or releases climbed the charts, and we kind of became a force to be reckoned with. And the beginning of this year actually we rebranded our label. And if you check the releases of Mercurial Tones for this year, you will probably find one of the hottest releases of the year. Our Reach is probably one of the best when it comes to mid-size melodic techno and peak techno labels. Everything is going well. I am very picky about the later who gets the release, but once you release it, you know you are in the good hands. Then we launched the Mercurial Tones Academy. I put a lot of time and thought into this one, and quickly it has become one of the highest rated electronic music schools online. I think we have something like 4.96 over 5 stars from the student reviews who take the courses, and I hope it will be even higher in the future because there will be even more courses in it as well. But there has been always one final thing that was missing from the picture: the events. I always dreamed of creating our own events and our own festivals. This is probably a bit in the future, but my end goal always has been creating something like Tomorrowland, but in Scandinavia, where the magic of the nature meets with like a raw energy of house and techno. Hopefully, give me a couple of years and maybe I can do it. But we don't need to wait for that, because this year, October 4th, 2024, we are throwing our first boutique festival here in Stockholm. It is going down at Slagthuset, and Slagthuset is Stockholm's most iconic techno club, I will say, techno and house. And this is our first poster, so we have a really amazing lineup. If you are enjoying house and techno music, you will have tons of fun. We have Andrea Botes, she is really amazing behind the DJ decks. You have me, Chris Lino, somebody that I really enjoy listening to. He's doing stellar lately. Fadim, of course, the Grammy-nominated duos, has released bangers after bangers. And finally, Laura Mia, I think her latest album was amazing, and also she has really good energy behind the decks as well. And after that we have the Bella X, Claire Hartman, Carla Kolle and Johan Aif. So in theory we will have one house, one melodic techno, and one hard techno stage. So we are having actually 3 stages, and the reason that we are calling this like a boutique festival. So 3 floors of music, an amazing lineup, and an atmosphere that really be about community and love for electronic music. So super early tickets are out now, links in the description, so snag them before they're gone because they are very limited. And if you can't make it to Stockholm, don't worry, I thought about it as well because we have really global audience. We have got something that's called remote ticket. We will be recording whole event and also behind the scenes as well. For the people who buys the remote tickets, you will get the footage once the event is done, and I will probably add much more goodies there. So I want to give a lot of things to the people who buy the remote tickets, because I know there are tons of people around the world really enjoy the content here, really enjoy anything that we do as a Mercurial Tones. So I want to give you back something that you would really enjoy watching, using, most importantly being a part of. But maybe this is what you are waiting. Remember the part that I told you you can be a part of? Well, one of you will get a chance to open the festival for us. We are choosing one talented DJ from our community to play the opening slot. We fly you out, pay you, and put you up in a hotel. All you need to do is send your mix to us. either as a video or WAV format. Write a short motivation why you're a good fit and send us your press kit as well. You can send it to contact@mercurialtones.com. And the deadline for this one is 30th of July. I know there's a tons of talent in our community and I can't wait to see who steps up and blows us away. Really looking forward to this. So get your tickets now, either live or remote. This is the moment probably we need your support or be part of our community. And for the people who are waiting for the story about my hair, okay, here is the story. I was in hairdresser yesterday, put the color up again, make it a bit like a silverish and so on, the classic things. I have done this many times, like it is nothing to talk about. But yesterday, when we started with my hair, first, like my eyes turned blood red and then I started to get red from here all the way down. You could see like the redness like going down from my head all the way here. Then it spread my arms and my body and it started the itching on my hands, on my arms, even on my feet. I even had hard time to breathe. So what ended up happening is like we washed out all the things from my hair. Hands like one side is done, the other side is not available. And they gave me all the pills. At one moment when I like having also a bit slight started the breathing difficulties, I thought that is it. I'm dying in a hairdresser. That's how I go. But I survived. I'm here. I'm gonna survive until the festival, right? That has to be done. Until then, I will fight. I will probably have this hair a couple of weeks just to like make sure that when we fix it, I don't get super reaction again. We probably won't touch the scalp anymore. I don't know. It's a story that we will see how it develops. I have no idea what will happen with my hair. I really love this color, but I think we have to alter it slightly. But other than that, go get your tickets and see you in the next video.